We're in Outlook 2019. I'm going to show you to change signatures. Maybe you might want more than one signature. Maybe you want to change it because your name has changed, something like that. So we'll click on Options after clicking on File, and then we'll go up to Mail, and then we'll click on Signatures. Let's say we want to add a second signature, and that might be because we have more than one business, and we want to have a different signature for each one. So we'll just go ahead and click New, and we'll just call this one Sig2 for Signature 2, but you can call it anything that you want. So Sig2 is now blank, so I'm just going to say thanks, and then put in my name, and then say President of the World. Okay, so that's a different signature than my other one. So I can say on new messages, I'm going to have my signature 1, and on replies, I'm going to have signature 2. Click OK, click OK. Now I'm going to click on a new email. And we can see on the new email, we see signature 1. Let's go ahead and click that. Let's do a reply on this other email. And we can see there's my signature 2. So that worked out just fine. Now if I want, I can also change the signature on the fly. So let's say, oh, I meant to do my other signature on this one. Just go up to where it says signature and just change it to the other one. So you can just switch back and forth as often as you want. You can also click on signatures and create a whole new one altogether. That's how you change signatures in Outlook 2019.